Hey Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson, and today we are checking out something brand new, and this is the Mountain Monster. So we have 3 attractions we're going to be checking out, and of course we are excited. We can see it running right now. So let's go, check it out, give a ride, and then give our reviews. Here's a little list of their hours. Of course, it does change a little bit every day, so definitely check the website, maybe call before you visit. Man, this location is amazing. Look at the backdrop. It's so pretty. Of course, everything here smells really new, and it looks really new as well. So we can see this big grass field, kind of hang out in, and look at all this future stuff that's available. We have all these little store areas where people can come. They already have the shops all built. You just need people to come here and buy it. Looks great. Okay, this is actually amazing. So the drop tower is 200 feet tall, drops at 53 miles per hour, and has no shoulder restraints. This is amazing.
What'd you think? Good. Go again? Yeah, might as well. How long have we had that camera? Yeah, I got the chest mount and then also got the one for the helmet. So we'll see how it works. Work's been taking me all over the place, that's why I haven't had a chance to use it yet.
I gotcha. Holy cow. Woo! Wow.
That was a long one. I was, oh man, that's up there.
So the monster drop is done. Woo! Wow. I feel like I'm gonna have the same reaction for almost all of these, but amazing. You get crazy views of the mountains, and the drop is terrifying. You know, having no shoulder restraints, that is one of the scariest parts of it, but you know, I'm kind of naturally scared of drop towers as it is, but this one was definitely my favorite. Of the average drop tower where you're just sitting up and dropping, this one was my favorite just because it's so different, it's so unique. So all in all, the monster drop, insane.
Alright, you ready? Here we go.
Whoa!
Alright, here we go.
Woo! Woo! Oh man. Okay, so the monster launch is done, and Wow, that was crazy. Of course, my favorite was when we were flipping like, you know, over and over again. But there are two different ways you can do it, not flipping, or you can do it flipping. And wow, I would recommend doing it both ways. Tons of fun, tons of forces, and a really good time. Of course, the initial shock of getting launched is such a crazy feeling, and all these rides have that, which I love. But all in all, the launch, amazing. Pretty good, pretty good.
Excited to ride?
Oh, I'm super excited. This is crazy.
Have you guys ridden the other ones yet?
We have. Hi,
Okay, cool.
nice to meet you.
Alex.
This is so cool. What an awesome design. Woo! Wow. That second time was actually probably crazier, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That's so fun.
Oh my.
Oh, wow. My goodness.
What'd you think?
That was amazing. This one is...
I bet at night it is something. Looking at the island, too.
Oh man, all the lights are probably crazy.
Wow. What a view. Wow, just
Man.
a view from up here of the mountains. It's a... wow.
It's crazy. Let's do it. That was me.
It's me. I can't help it. I try not to, but it's just me.
And lastly, of course, is going to be the mountain monster, and that is the drop right above us that drops right through here. And that is by far my favorite. You know, you get lifted up and then you look straight down and then you get dropped. And the feeling of that is by far my favorite. It's absolutely insane. And as you can tell by the POVs, we had some pretty crazy reactions, but all in all, this place is amazing. Some crazy rides. I highly suggest you come check these out. And we're gonna come back tonight and get some night POVs. So make sure to stay tuned because I'm really looking forward to seeing how this place looks at night. Of course, I guess I have to cover the secret fourth ride as well, the elevator lift or the actual drop tower. And that is just as good as this one in my opinion. So of course it is the exact same height pretty much, and wow, you know, same forces, except it's a 2-person tower rather than an 8-person tower. So it is a smaller capacity just to get the elevator lift, but to come down, you can come down real quick and insane. Definitely a surprise to us. So you saw us going down this center tower drop style, but you can also get it elevator lift or drop style. So they're getting it the elevator drop style. So they're going down nice and easy, and it just depends on whether you want it dropped or whether you want it the elevator. But here they come, nice and slow. Okay, so the rides are done. Time to check out the Mountain Monster Thrill Shop. So we have I Conquered the Mountain Monster here. I Conquered the Mountain Monster hats right there.
You're welcome.
Some different colors in hats and some different colors in shirts also. We have a height check where the minimum height is 46 inches. So they have that. And then more colors, camo hat, and that as well. So you can see the hats are $25 and the shirts, I don't see a price. Let me see. They're $25 as well? Okay, perfect. So they are both $25. And if you are curious about the prices for the rides, you can see All You Can Ride Launch and Fall, $30. It's an all-day pass, good for current day only. And you can add a single ride on the Monster for $20, and here's some more prices here. And then if you want videos, it's $15. And there for the individual rides, $40 for Mountain Monster, $25 Mountain Launch, and I'm sure this guy can tell it better than I can.
And the 15 for the fall.
Okay, perfect, thank you. And of course, we also have some stickers, and they're $3. Perfect. And this is right at the front entrance, so you can come in here, cool off, and get some merchandise. Okay, I am just noticing we're actually on the screen right now. That's crazy. Oh, that's amazing. Look at us go. Wow. Oh, that is so cool. Woo. I've made it.
We finally got it figured out.
All right.
Go, baby, go.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh man! Woo! Wow!
Different at night.
Woo!
Oh, man.
Oh my goodness!
That's cool at night.
Woo! That was crazy.
Wow.
Definitely different. My goodness. Wow. All right.
Here we go, Mike.
Hold on to your butts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
That thing has a kick.
No girl squeals.
So after doing all of the rides during the day and during the night, I can safely say that they are amazing both ways. So they're totally different experiences both ways. So I would recommend that you try them both ways if you have the chance. And of course you get the same thrill, but in a different type of form because you're looking at a totally different backdrop. So highly recommend, and this place is so much fun. I love it. I honestly think that the actual Mountain Monster swing is scarier at night. So crazy, absolutely crazy. Well guys, that is going to do it for us here at the Mountain Monster here at Pigeon Forge, and I cannot recommend enough how much you guys should come and pay this place a visit. I had so much fun, and I think you guys would as well. And of course, they are very new and a lot of things are coming around the area, so make sure to check it out. And if you like what we do, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.